Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created the AJAX call for analytical purpose. Now we need to create the action. This is the controller and this is the action which we need to create. Stop the application, copy the action name, go to the controller, and in this controller I am going to create a JSON result as in the bottom here. Public JSON result, its name will be the analytics. Okay, and here I will open the connection, this, and paste it here. The connection will be open. Okay, yes, it's saying that it's not returning anything, so return the information. Here first I will open the connection, and here is the store procedure which we need to use, app setting. Let's go to that. Here we have procedure, app settings, and now modify it, and here we will add a filter like this simply. Here is else. Okay, insert analytics. Okay, so this is the filter which I need to update here. Okay, now the next thing, I need to create a controller which will get the specific information. Okay, so here we have the model having the browser. Okay, so we need to send that browser IP, location, and OS. Right now these informations are available. Okay, one thing more, I need to use specific model here. Let's create a model. Okay, in the models, add class and name it as analytics. Okay, from here I will copy, where is the setting one? Okay, yes, here is the setting controller, and here is the model controller pin it. Okay, now copy IP, this browser, location, OS. Replace the model here and remove the rest of the things. And that's it. Each time the AJAX call run, it will pass the data and send to the procedure. In the next video, we will add these parameters in the procedure and run the whole life cycle. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.